Hey, you see that right there? Hey, look. Pay 10. You ride 8 seconds, you win $200. So I'm gonna ride it, bro. Is it hard though?
Case a challenge.
Have you did it?
Say hey to my smell.
What's up with it, smell?
I'm just that fan.
What's up with it? Have you did it before?
Have I done it? I'm just the assistant. I'm just covering for the boss today.
Can you give me change for 20 for one ride?
Get out of my face.
Here you go. I'm a little nervous, so you gotta.
I need your sign right here.
Right here?
Yep.
D.
Hey, ride the hell out of it.
What's your name? What's your name?
My name's Duke.
Duke, calling him D-Block apparently.
Yeah!
He's going for the $200 challenge. On camera, on all. Gonna be on YouTube. Sir, you gotta get on there and find out for yourself. Get on up there, D.
Hold up, Duke, don't get on it yet.
Alrighty, now, young man, 8 seconds, one hand only. Can't touch or grab the bull. Oh, he ain't smiling no more. You ready? All those dumb bulls. Here we go. We got D. We got Willie. We got Willie. We got D. Oh, man, sir. That was 6.7 seconds, sir. I think we got a phone somewhere Willie took. No, he'll get it on his way, sir. That's a secondary phone. I can tell what it is. Don't forget the trap phone, D. Have a good one, sir. Thank you so much. Well, I'm going to be on YouTube now.
Really ride that motherfucker. You going there, bro?
Money. Says he's got to help his friends get those seats. More teeth and gold.
All right, bro. Go ahead, bro.
All right, Davo.
Don't. Hey, it's one
8
hand,
seconds,
though.
one hand. Don't
that
touch or
motherfucker.
grab the bull, sir. Let me get myself ready. You ready?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Oh, yeah,
Oh, no. Davo, no. 4 seconds flat, sir.
Hey, they
But your
cheating.
dreads look great flying in the wind.
Bro. Oh, my mama, she cheating, bro.
You still good.
Hey, she was
My picture got messed up.
We can be doing that, though.
Yo.
Let me get the cup.
Get the cup.
Okay. Keisha, that's my
Hold on. Is that in?
Yeah, right now. Which one you looking at?
8 seconds, sir. Getting close, too close. Look at Willie shaking. Good job.
What you think, man? Think I should do it again, man? That's $10,
That
though.
shit a scam, ain't gonna lie. Hey, shit, you got it. Shit, you got it.
No, I ain't got it. I really want to do it. You got things of profit, though. You got things of profit. I done spent 20. If I spend 30, that's a goddamn $170 profit. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
We got D-Block coming back on stage. Mighty D-Block.
Yo. Oh, yeah. Let's get it.
Tell me when you're ready. You ready?
Hey, just don't flip me that
You
way.
sure you ready? Alrighty, here we go. Oh man, he left D-Block. We love and appreciate you, sir. Don't forget the trap phone. I think one went that way. Don't forget the sneaker. He wanted to make sure the kicks got shown today.
God damn. What?
Fuck in the mic.
2 hands, though, I get that, though. Like, 2 hands, I get that easy. Like, she really cheated me, though, like, type shit. That's all, I ain't tripping. Man, you think I'm tripping, man, on some shit like that, man? I'm tripping, though, I ain't. What you say, bro?
Bro, you gotta be all the girls. You gotta be all the Rizz, I swear.
You ain't got no
You the
Rizz,
Rizz
bro.
guy, bro.
Hey, I pull all the girls just doing this. I pull all of them. I gotta go. Bro, I'm dead serious.
You gotta be all the girls. Where you go? Hey, dude. Hey, can I get your Gmail? Can I get your Gmail, please? Your Gmail, please.
Can I do an interview with you?
Interview?
Yeah. Don't go who I with today?
He on the duck over here.
Great.
What's the freakiest thing you ever did?
The what?
What's the freakiest thing you ever did?
I ain't had. Hold on, how old you, man?
15.
Nope. Oh no. Hey, you don't need to be talking about that type of stuff. You know what I'm saying? Real quick. Oh, real quick. Alright, hold on. Yo, for going up, ain't it? I ain't used one of these.
What's up, my boy?
What's up, bro? What's up? I ain't used one of these. Oh, but look though. No account, right? Look who third.
Okay.
Look who third. No account now.
Papa.
Yes, sir. Look who third. Hey, hold on. But that boy Duke did it. You know what I'm saying? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. That boy Duke did it. But hell yeah, make sure y'all go subscribe. Don't do this, man.
Y'all are a gang of beautiful men.
Damn. That was, you beautiful.
I know, but I just needed to be amongst some beautiful men.
Oh yeah?
No, for real.
Too bad you ain't looking for a boyfriend right now.
You guys are
Oh, you want my...
smile.
Open up your IG. You know what? I would give you my number, but I don't give my number out like
You
that.
don't have to.
Yeah.
I don't either.
Oh yeah?
No. What's your name?
Hold on. Cigarette crazy. Oh shit!
I didn't see that coming. Holy shit!
Got him. Everyone saw that I got him, right?
I was
Come back. Where'd he go?
I'm so
Hey man, y'all done dropped the fucking cat, man. That's crazy. Well, you know you look like what? The baby. Yup. Yup. Okay, do you have a girlfriend?
I don't.
Really?
I don't. Next.
I'm going.
Next question.
You looking for one?
No.
Okay, then that's a great question. You looking to get? Are you looking to get to know somebody though?
No, not really.
Oh yeah.
Not really. I'm just chilling right now.
Ready to go home?
Ready to go home.
I like your. I mean to be leaning on you.
She get right away.
I know.
She get it right away because she got heels on.
What's up? I can have your number, man.
What's your name?
803.
Y'all know who the fuck this is? Tight shit, but hey man, I need to drop the Hellcat.
Cut it, man. Cut this nigga, man.
Tight shit. Yo. My boy. Hey. Tight shit. Too many fiends.
Hey.
Real ready.
Go tell my boy Big D about shit, man.
Big D block. Oh, I ain't finna pull that out, but you know what's going on. Whole lot of D block. The big drop. So funny, man. I got a whole ass flip on.
Hold on. Don't laugh at my dog, though.
I told him I'm in between phones right now.
Can we take a picture together?
Yeah.
Come here, man.
Hold on, what's your name?
My name Duke. What's yours? Hey, hold on. I really would get your number, but I ain't want to.
You can't have my number. I want too many jobs.
Hold on, I got 2 jobs.
I got 2 jobs too.
Yeah.
That's what I found.
You gotta find this count. You chat right now, man.
Yeah, you see fuck. I'm dead ass serious. I'm a mama, I'm a daughter.
Oh yeah? And you know I really love this blue on you though. Fuck you. Fuck him or fuck me.
Yeah, fuck blue.
Oh fuck it. Man.
My favorite color red.
You're also
What's up, man? Let me get your number, man. Let me get your number, man.
Oh, damn. Because they've been
Let me get your number, man.
You got flip phone? I bet you dead.
You motherfucker.
That's some bullshit.
What's up? What's up with you, son? What's up with you? How you doing?
The old man ain't doing well.
Why you say that?
Ain't good to be in the streets, man. I'm talking to the kings now.
Of course. I can't.
Me and my wife sitting right over there. I've been sitting there for the last 3 to 4 days.
Oh yeah?
We
I got about
every damn dime we can get.
I got about 40. Hey, I got $40 for you right here, young sir.
Yes,
Hey, look, I know it ain't much, but hey, look, that's the investment right there.
It is a blessing.
It's an investment right there.
Wait a minute. How old do you think I am, young man?
51, 52.
Never see that again.
Huh?
I was born April 24th, 1940.
40. God damn, you about 73.
Hey,
82.
82. You look good as fuck, boy. You look good.
You're in your 90s?
Don't break my shit, man.
Boy, that's cap. Boy, you look too good to be 80-something, man.
My youngest child is 34.
Right here.
My oldest is 53.
If you 80-something, man, I would be blessed to look like you when I get 80-something.
Yeah,
You look good, boy. I'm telling you, man. You look good. Hey. Ghetto, like, nigga, you know what I'm saying? Like, this would be a good advice point of view. Man, just chatting, man. Hell yeah, like, nigga, goddamn, so boom, nigga, I'm texting her phone, nigga, she ain't answering. It's 3 in the morning. But she was just on IG Live. And goddamn, said she was acting. I seen the green bubble beside her. Nigga, bitch text me earlier the next morning talking about I fell asleep. Bitch! You fell asleep. Hold on.
This bitch done went through my messages, my goddamn photos. When she seen that curve though, she done got that curve. This nigga cute.
Hold
It comes to the left side.
on. A bitch, they had some bitches over here last night. The bitch done went through his phone and seen a dick pic.
Bitch was ready to stay in.
She was. Hey, I can vouch for that, man. She was not trying to leave after that right there, man. And get what she told her friends, Q. Y'all can go, I got my own car. Yeah, she said, y'all can go, I got my own car. Whole time I'm wondering, damn, Q Rizz her ass up. Wrong. She seen a dick pic in his phone. It's tough.
Hey, I was reason to know, like the whole time I'm talking to her and shit, and then she went through my phone on her own shit. So I'm like, oh well shit, bitch. Whole time I was expecting her to see the dick pic, but I'm like, why is she goddamn going through my phone, like my messages, and then the bitch talking about, oh, you sell weed, all type of shit. I was like, this nigga set my heart beat.
My heart, bro, this nigga, bro, hold on, bro, what the fuck, bro? Bro, this nigga said my heartbeat was going through my dick one day, so I recorded it and sent it to him on Snap.
Sent it to a bunch of bitches on Snap.
Oh my God, this nigga out here just sending them bitches. Boy, do y'all know how much of a straight face this nigga just had there?
I felt private stories.
No way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy. What's doing it?
So what you, my boy?
Oh, shit. Yes, sir. That boy, dude. Hey, that nigga Duke out here. Hey, ain't no way, boy.
I still good? Hey, you know what, you still good too, though.
He is not gonna run none. That's the Unspoken.
No, I'm just saying, like, she's still good, like, you still good, so she can get come on. Hey, look. I ain't too young. I'm gonna let you know. I ain't no youngin' out here.
I'm 40. He's Rizz.
I'm 28. I ain't too far.
Right now, I'm single. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Hey, you better go ahead and hold me. I am a grown man, ma'am.
Yes, you're certified.
Yes, ma'am.
What are you looking for?
My phone. What's your name, though? Oh? My name Duke.
I feel so bad. That's my nephew.
Look, I'm 28.
Oh, is he recording this? Hey.
Whatever.
Rizz on my aunt. Well, he got my number.
No. Hey, you know what? Y'all definitely, you know what?
Really?
No. I'm feeling like,
You gonna let him run his Rizz on my aunt? He's running Rizz on my aunt. He's running Rizz on my aunt.
You wanna take a picture of me? You wanna take a picture of me?
Hold on. You see right here? Oh, you got an Android. Oh, no. Look, I'm gonna test you. This is me right here. See, you hear me? This is me right here. My name Duke. Nice to meet you. Yes, ma'am, you too.
Where the rest of the AMP crew at?
Oh, God, you didn't have a gun.
Yeah, come on, take a picture right now.
My guy, please get a hug. What's your name?
Oh my God, am I AMP?
My name Duke.
Oh my God, your teeth are free. I'm good. I'm Victoria.
Victoria.
Yeah.
Okay, y'all from out here though?
No, we from Virginia.
Y'all go about, what, about 6 hours?
4.
Yeah, I heard 6 hours. Hey, man.
6, well, it depends on what part. I'm from Southern Virginia.
Oh, yeah?
So that kind of, yeah.
Okay.
Unless you got 6. Oh my God, boy.
Hey, don't do. Matter of fact, hey, come here, man. Get your number or something, man. Get your number or something, man, with this right here, right here.
Boy, what?
Oh, what? You gonna?
I'm sorry.
I don't care.
Yeah.
Is that
Okay.
phone? I don't care.
Yeah.
It
Okay.
doesn't matter to me. Dude, that's not your phone. That's not your phone. You shouldn't even light up when you flip. You're just typing in random.
I know my number by heart.
Did the flip phone really work? That's not even, see.
Oh, no. See, that's my, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no, I was just making
Yeah,
sure.
I was about to say,
because I pulled, it was dead. So like I had to, I don't know, shit, I got my other phone with me type shit.
Yep, my brother, Bert, he is.
That's why I was there cool this morning. Hey, nice to meet y'all, man. Y'all have a good night.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, ma'am. You have a great night, too. Yes, ma'am. Yep, see, I told you. It definitely was gonna work, man. You see, hey, it was dead at first, and then I was like, type shit, it's gonna work, so this still count, low key.
We're from motherfucking bullshit. You hear me? No, we not. I'm from Raleigh, bro. 100 block.
fuck
Raleigh, niggas, man.
Come on.
WGN shit. We from the Bull City, down North Carolina. You hear me? No cap.
Well, that's a hard shirt right there, my brother. Shirt. This nigga got a Akatsuki collared shirt on. That motherfucker hard, man.
I'm so fucking good.
Yeah, I ain't nobody. I just brought the camera.
He's
good.
somebody. Oh, he's somebody. I don't know who is everybody. You got a phone like that. I don't know you, but I want to be like.
Yeah, nah, I just bought the camera because I know
Okay, so you do
motherfuckers like the
YouTube.
camera.
What kind of like videos you do?
See, I just started like last month.
What you do though? Like them videos they be like, hey, you cheating on your
No.
nigga?
I just be doing random shit.
Oh, like what though?
Whatever I want to do.
Well, fuck it, you tell me.
Like if I want to go ride a horse or some shit, that's what
Well,
I'll do
let's go
that
ride a horse.
day. Where you from though?
Virginia.
See, what the fuck is? What's up with everybody being from Virginia? Like,
I'm from Richmond. I don't know where the fuck the rest of these bitches is from, but I'm from Richmond.
shit. I ain't never been to Virginia.
Okay, put my snap in. Put that on the YouTube.
I don't got Snap. I stopped using that shit.
What the fuck you got then?
I got
You finna hit me with them.
right here.
I know you ain't gonna do me like that.
I know you ain't gonna do me like that.
Alright, fuck that. What's your number? Let me see.
Dude, I want to talk about my person.
I don't know. Shit, let me see. I'm being real. I ain't want you for the plot. I want to know who you is. I want to know your business.
And I'm trying to get to.
Alright, come on. Let me see the track. Fuck it.
Yeah, what's your? I'll get it after.
Real tight.
Oh, real tight. Okay, I got you. I'm already knowing what this shit going. The fuck going on, nigga?
I need my TikTok to blow up.
Excuse me? You are too. What's your name? Jay?
Oh, we already.
My name Duke. Nice to meet you. Yes, ma'am. Where you from? Columbia. I'm from Greenville, man. I fuck with your hair, man. I've been trying to find Dabo the whole time, man. I'm trying to find Dabo. Where the fuck the nigga at, man?
Real. Everybody knows
So
that shit.
why you come up to me on it? Know what I'm saying?
I just wanted to.
Oh yeah, man.
Yeah.
Pull up, nigga, you know what I'm saying? Ready? I won't let her talk to you like that, man. Me personally, no, I'm talking to my dog. Me personally, I I won't let nobody talk to me like that. I'm just saying, me personally, I won't let shit like that go down. But then again, like, that ain't me, and that ain't none of my business, really.
Got me running down the fucking beach. Wait, no motherfucker. Let's take a picture. Let's take a picture though. All right, come on. No cap. I'm over here surveying this shit looking for you. Deja.
Yeah, you right. You damn right.
Who the what?
Wait, no motherfucking way. Take my North Carolina.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, big dog shit.
Big dog shit. Hey, we ain't want to come get this motherfucker from me. Stop motherfucking playing with me. Stop motherfucking.
Wherever North Carolina, wherever you from, I want to be from the same motherfucking place, man. You do? I want to be from the same
You
motherfucking
do?
place, man.
Give me a hug. Bitch, nigga been here for so long. This is my nigga right here. Come take him from me. Come take him from me.
Hey, you know what? You know what?
Come take him from me.
You know what?
Come take him from me.
We together from here on out.
Yo, we together.
Yep.
Come take him from me.
What's his name?
Come take him from me. Come take him from me.
Hey, our anniversary is May 28th.
May 28th.
Our anniversary is May 28th.
Boy, ain't no motherfucking way, boy.
That's our anniversary right there, man.
Hey. I told these hoes that's my nigga. He said when our anniversary.
May 28th.
May 28th.
That's today, yeah.
That's today. Yo.
Damn, nigga. We're about time. We got been looking for y'all, boy. What we got stepped on, bro?
Man, listen, everybody be like, what the fuck do care? I'm like, that nigga do it.
I like your performance. I love it. Yeah, I'm locked in, brother. Yo. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna let that motherfucker move. I ain't gonna lie. That motherfucker move. I swear to God. Okay. Yeah, that motherfucker move, brother. Yeah. You can say hey to my little guy. Yeah.
How y'all doing?
Yeah, for sure.
They scared. I ain't scared.
Oh yeah, I'm already knowing you ain't scared.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, fellas, look, I swear to God, brother. Hey, she ain't got no drawers on either. I can feel it. I can feel all of this right here. Like she ain't got no drawers on, fellas. Hey, but I ain't gonna lie, I've been doing the same motherfucking thing all day.
Hold on, what we on YouTube? What we talking about?
I don't know what the fuck you talking about.
Damn, I ain't got no diamonds and shit like he do. Damn, what we on YouTube?
Yeah, you going on there? Say something right now.
Damn, I'm roll.
Hey, shout out Big 25, man. Yeah, we got this bitch with goddamn Duke, man. We about to turn up on this trip.
Hey, no, I do got something.
I'm telling you.
Hey, look. Hey, listen. Since the governor of Florida is my daddy, I'm putting it on camera. Come here. Hey, look. Free gas card whenever you go to Florida. Alright? What's your name? John. Hey, congratulations. Free gas card.
I can't run across the shit. I'm over there. Fuck all that. He got us from here. Bye. I'm sorry I went right now. You already know I was coming for him. Hey, girl. Thank you. I know I look bad right now, but one day we're gonna get married. I promise you. I promise you. I love you so much. Like, so much. Like, you're really my wallpaper. It's so fun, girl. Hey, we got pictures. Hold on, wait a minute. Let me get inside. Wait, Anthony. Somebody gonna take a picture. I'm gonna be so long he can't see all. He gotta see how bad I'm. Go ahead, B. Take it.
I don't know what's going on right now. I did it. But hey, appreciate y'all. Yeah, I want you ready too, though.
Y'all ready? Y'all ready?
Hey, no problem, man. Nice to meet you, Miss Deborah. Yes, ma'am.
All right.
I'll get you first and then back.
Hey, hit me up.
Hit you up on Facebook, Deborah B. Jones. I got Facebook, so I'm gonna hit you up. Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Did you get it? Motherfucker said shit. You like it? Okay, can I get this?
Yeah, my bad, I was bored. Alright, man. Not bad, man.
That shit made me.
This shit right here is gonna be a bang. Hey, now you get that jersey hard as fuck. Yeah. Are we right here?
Appreciate that, bro. Appreciate that, bro.
You trying to 1v1?
Hell nah.
Why not?
That shit hard.
Hey, man, I don't see you hit the flip before. I see you tomorrow. We gonna hit one of them.
Oh yeah? I ain't even gonna be here tomorrow, gang. So hold on, you can bet, man?
What's up?
You can.
What's up?
Oh yeah. You got a slide right now.
I'll take the slides up. Hit the slides right now.
Oh God.
You gotta do that shit with me.
No.
Do that for you?
Yeah.
No, yes, I ain't gonna say that.
No.
What's up?
Yeah, I just want to.
I bust my ass in front of all these people. I still don't give a fuck.
I don't give a fuck either.
Party.
Whatever you feel most comfortable with. So hey, my dog is finna do.
Only because I seen him do that shit on the video. Bro.
Oh yeah. Tight shit.
On the football shit. And this shit slippery. If I bust my ass, I don't give a fuck. Hey yo, I can do that.
Hold on. Take off your hat, bro. Oh, now your shit look good.
This shit ain't going nowhere, bro. I got you.
Come here, now, boy. Hey, that was nice, man.
What's up?
Do that shit.
That's fucking cap. I will hold it.
Clear the street.
Oh yeah, grandma on that damn video.
Ezekiel, go do your thing, man. Ezekiel, do your thing.
Backflip? Yeah. And the dunks? Oh shit.
What is that, boy? Is it the time? Yes, it is. No,
That's an 0100?
I didn't know what the fuck you was talking about, though.
Hell yeah, but it's a 24-hour clock, that's all.
Yes, sir.
Man, that red shit is crazy. Nah, that shit is crazy.
I got you. Hey, you gonna know who shot that shit. That's my slogan.
Oh, yeah?
You know who shot that shit.
Well, I'm gonna use one of them as my profile picture. I ain't gonna count. Everything that y'all just seen is for entertainment purposes only, bro. I really don't be raising motherfuckers' mamas up. And to be honest, bro, for all the TikTok people that be posting me, bro, stop saying Duke can't be stopped. Duke is unmatched. Stop saying all that shit, bro. I am a regular ass nigga, bro. Alright, fellas. With that being said, man, I love all y'all still, though. Love all y'all. Love all the females who starting to support me, starting to watch me, and things of that nature right there, man. With that being said, man, 2 mil is on the motherfucking way, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. I'm out, man.